Roasted chickpeas are really easy to make and they liven up basic salads or snack time. Stay with me to find out how to make them. Hi, I'm Pamela Elgin with Surf Girl Eats. Today we're going to be making roasted chickpeas. It's one of my new favorites. When I first started with a plant-based diet, I thought, I can just take the chickpeas right out of the can and put them on my salad. But what I quickly found was that doesn't taste very good. And you'd never do that with meat, right? I mean, obviously it's not healthy for you, you'd get really sick, but you don't just take it out of the refrigerator and put it on your salad. You season it, you cook it. So that's what we're gonna do with chickpeas. I'm gonna start by draining off all of this liquid. This is called aquafaba, and you can use it in the same place that you use egg whites. So we'll do another video about that sometime. So I'm just gonna save it and put it in my refrigerator. You can also keep it for longer in your freezer. So we'll just drain these chickpeas here in the sink and then rinse them really thoroughly with water. All right, they've still got a little bit of water on them though, and we want them to be really dry. Really, any time that you're roasting, you need your ingredients to be bone dry before you put the oil on, and that's what gets you the nice caramelization that you're looking for, all those like tasty brown little bits. So good. So some recipes for roasted chickpeas tell you to peel off all of these little skins here. I don't like doing that. One, it's a hassle. For another thing, they taste really good. So anyway, these are dry enough here. We're just going to spread them right out onto this pan like this. And then I have a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. I'm just gonna sprinkle that right on here. I also have a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, but I'm gonna add a finishing sea salt when they're all done, so we'll just get a little more salt there. So you just wanna toss these with the seasoning until they're well coated. Now we're going to drizzle them with about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil here, and then just toss gently to coat them in the oil. And then spread them out. You don't want them to be too close to one another because then they end up steaming instead of roasting. That's it. So now I'm gonna go put them in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, the chickpeas have come out of the oven, and while they're still hot, I'm just going to sprinkle them with this finishing salt made by a company out of Phoenix called Sea Salt. I'm really digging it. Totally great on all kinds of different things. All right, thanks so much for joining me for Surf Girl Eats. Have a great day.